JST37, line up on runway 34.
Lining up runway 34, JST37.
Tower Qantas 433, on final for runway 27.
433, cleared to land runway 27, QNH 1010.
Cleared to land runway 27, QNH 1010, Qantas 433.
KLM 1022, contact London 18.82.
1882, KLM 102.
Let's turn gently.
JST37, wind 320 at 8, runway 34, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 34, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, you've finished taxiing
JST37.
and are about to take off. Current visibility is 6.2 miles. The wind is 308 at 8, runway 34. Runway length is 12,000 feet.
Check thrust.
Watch your steering.
89.
Tower, good morning, 21,
B1.
Watch your steering.
B2.
Positive rate, gear up.
Gear up.
Tower
Gear up.
1, holding short off, runway 34.
1, line up on runway
Golf Hotel India Romeo Echo. My apologies for keeping you waiting. Pass your message now.
Autopilot.
Romeo Echo, sorry to interrupt you. We're at GA7 out of Rochester at 1,500 feet. We're just in the Swanley area to take a couple of photographs. We'll stay below 1,500 feet to keep out of your way and call you when leaving your zone.
Golf Romeo
Okay, you're doing well. We're looking good.
The QNH 1028 millibars.
Romeo Echo 70531028. Departure JST37 with you passing 2,900 for 7,000.
Jetstar 37, radar contact. Continue via Delta Oscar Sierra Echo Lima 9er quarter route. Climb to flight level 190.
Via DOS Echo Lima 9er departure. Climbing to flight level 190 JST37.
Victor Hotel Juliet India Charlie. Maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude, VHJIC.
With our flight underway, I'd like to once again welcome you aboard. I'd also like to offer a special welcome to our Quality Club flight. You will be earning valuable miles on your flight today. If you're not a member, please visit us.
If you want to operate north or south of the river, I'll have traffic inbound to Battersea along the river shortly.
25 Alpha, we're just drawing to completion here, so if available, we can remain south of the river and route to the Isle of Dogs, just to hold in case this job comes off that we were talking about earlier.
That's approved, not above 1,500 feet.
Not above 1,500 feet, thank you, 25 Alpha.
All included free of charge. The flight attendant will become...
Victor Hotel X-Ray India Hotel identified. Descend to 4,000.
We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Victor Hotel Juliet India Charlie. Maintain present altitude.
Maintain present altitude, VHJIC.
Connex 06, ma'am, orbiting to the north of the field.
Connex 06, Roger. There'll be another departure come off runway 28 before I can get you west of the field.
Connex 06, Roger.